Hey, guess what? I'm turning 40. What? I'm turning 40 tomorrow on July 27th of this month, the big 4-0. And I want to celebrate with you by inviting you to join me in the Eat to Live family. Yeah, I did just put those things together, my birthday, and open registration for the Eat to Live family, which is our monthly group coaching program. So you can learn how to get healthy for good, finally be consistent on this lifestyle, learn how to lose all the weight very quickly and permanently. And it would be just like the best birthday present ever if you'd at least consider joining us. We'd love to see you in there. It really is like a family. You meet the people, you learn the personalities, you can private message people, you can get coached by me. You get great results in there, as well as that camaraderie, knowing that you're doing this with tons and tons of other people, just like you, dozens and dozens of people doing the Eat to Live lifestyle, feeling great, losing that weight. We'd love to see you in there. And I mean, you could just consider it like a birthday present to me, just to think about coming in, all right? So, open registration for the Eat to Live family is happening right now. Remember, we only open registration for a few days and then we close it for a while. You won't be able to get in for several months again. So make sure you check this out, because we're open from July 25th to July 29th, just looking at my notes down there. And it's open only that short period of time. We want you to get in. So check out the link, thewateringmoth.com/family. It'll tell you all the details you need to know about what happens in the family, what you get as part of your membership. It's totally affordable. We'd love to have you in there. Just click the link and go sign up. You only have a couple days to do that, and I will see you in there personally. And then happy birthday to me. See you later. Bye.